This is the world's coolest alarm clock. If you've never seen one of these, this is a projection alarm clock. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. The way this thing works is it has all the normal features on the back of a normal alarm clock. However, on the other side, you'll see there is a small laser projector. And so the way this thing works is it's actually projecting the time on the ceiling. You'll never see it during the day, but at night, if you wake up in the middle of the night, rather than look around for your clock, you can simply open one eye and look at the ceiling.